Hey there viewers, my name is Brett, and today we're taking a closer look at the Blizzard Mid-Cut from Propet. This magnificent mid-cut boot is quite flexible in construction. It has an upper crafted from waterproof leather with plenty of detailed stitching throughout, as well as this durable rubber toe cap. There's a lace-up closure to provide a proper fit, also a nicely padded collar and tongue for added comfort. Under the hood, there's a completely removable insole that's going to provide underfoot cushioning and comfort for you, and all of that sits atop a specially designed self-cleaning sticky rubber outsole. For a superb comfort that's built solidly, add this one to your cart today.